Imagine this. You are in London. You walk into a shop. A person walks up to you. They smile and they say, "Are you all right?" You think, "Oh no, is something wrong with me? Do I look bad? What do I say?" Don't worry. After this episode, you will know exactly what to say and you will feel confident in any British shop. Let's go! Hello and welcome to the English Language Channel. I am Tom.
And I am Susan. Hello everyone. We are very happy you are here today. Yes, and today's topic is shopping for clothes in British English. Very useful, great fun.
Today, we have funny moments, useful phrases, and at the end, a very special secret word. A word that makes you sound very British. Stay with us to find out what it is.
And coming up later, Tom is going to make a very embarrassing mistake in a British shop. Ha! You do not want to miss it.
Oh, Susan, please! Haha. Yes, stay listening. It is very funny and very educational, I promise. Okay, let's start. You walk into a shop. A shop assistant comes to you. A shop assistant is the person who works in the shop. They are there to help you.
The shop assistant might say, "Can I help you?" This is easy. Can I help you? It means, do you need help? Very simple.
But they might also say something different. They might say, "Are you all right?" Now, this sounds strange. In British English, "Are you all right?" is not a question about your health. It is just a friendly hello. It means, "Can I help you? Are you okay? Do not worry."
Yes, "Are you all right?" is very common in British shops. It is friendly. It is normal. Now, what do you say back? If you want to look around, say this: "I'm just browsing, thanks." Let's say it together. I'm just browsing, thanks.
Browsing means just looking. You are looking around the shop. No plan, no rush, just looking. I'm just browsing, thanks. Or you can say, I'm just having a look, thanks. Both are perfect. The shop assistant will smile and leave you alone.
And if you need help, always start with "Excuse me." This is very polite in Britain. Then say, "I'm looking for example, I'm looking for a dress." Or, "I'm looking for a coat." Simple and very natural.
Let's practice. I will be the shop assistant. Susan will be the customer. Listen carefully to the phrases. Ready, Susan?
Ready.
Hi there. Are you all right?
Hello. I'm just having a look, thanks.
Of course. Let me know if you need anything.
Excuse me, I'm looking for a jumper. A blue one, please.
Of course. Jumpers are just over here. Follow me.
Good. Did you hear that word? A jumper. This is very important. In British English, a jumper is a warm top. It has long sleeves. You wear it in cold weather. Some people call it a sweater, but in Britain, we say jumper. Jumper. Jumper.
Jumper. Remember that word? Say it with me. Jumper. Great. Now, let's talk about sizes.
Okay, sizes. You find a nice jumper. You want to try it on. You need your size. In Britain, for women's clothes, sizes are numbers. Size 8, size 10, size 12, and so on.
For men's clothes, we use words: small, medium, large, extra large. These are easy to remember. Small, medium, large.
So how do you ask for your size? Say, "Do you have this in a size 12?" Or, "Have you got this in a medium?" Both are correct. Both are natural. Let's repeat. Have you got this in a medium?
Have you got? This is very British. In British English, people say, "Have you got?" instead of "Do you have?" Have you got this in a small? Very, very British. Very natural. Use it.
And what if you cannot see your size? Ask, Do you have any more out the back? This means, is there more in the stockroom? The stockroom is the room behind the shop, out the back.
If the shop does not have your size, the assistant might say, I'm afraid we don't have that. Now, I'm afraid does not mean they are scared. In British English, I'm afraid means, I'm sorry, I have bad news. It is very polite, very British.
I'm afraid we don't have that. Polite, British. You will hear this a lot. Okay, now, colours.
Oh, wait, before colours, I have to warn you. Very soon, I am going to tell you about a very embarrassing mistake I made. I went into a shop, I asked for something, and the shop assistant looked at me like this, very confused. Stay listening, it teaches you something very, very important about British English.
Okay, colours. You want a specific colour. In a shop, say, do you have this in blue? Or have you got this in red? Simple, you can use any colour.
In British shops, you will also hear some special colour words. Navy, this is dark blue. Cream, this is like a very pale white. Burgundy, this is dark red. These are very common in clothes shops.
And here are two very useful phrases. Have you got anything darker? This means, do you have a darker colour? And have you got this in another colour? You will use these a lot when shopping.
And patterns. A pattern is a design on the cloth. Striped means it has lines. Checked means it has a square design. Floral means it has flowers. And plain means no pattern, just one colour. I'm looking for something plain. Easy.
Oh, before we continue, a quick thing. If you are enjoying this episode, please follow us. Please subscribe to the English Language channel. It is free and you will never miss a new episode. It really, really helps us. Thank you so much. Okay, back to the lesson.
Okay. Now, this is very important. In British English, some clothing words are different from American English. Very different. And if you use the wrong word, things can get very funny. Susan, can I tell them about my embarrassing story?
Oh yes, please. Tell them, Tom. This is a very, very funny story. Ha!
Okay, so I was in a shop in London. I wanted to buy trousers. You know, the long clothing you wear on your legs. And I walked up to the shop assistant and I said, very confidently, "Excuse me, I'm looking for some pants."
Oh no, Tom.
The shop assistant looked at me very strangely. And then she brought me underwear, small clothing for under your trousers. I was so embarrassed.
Yes, because in British English, pants means underwear, not trousers. In Britain, you wear pants under your trousers. They are two different things. So please, if you want trousers in Britain, say trousers. Trousers. Trousers.
I know. Very embarrassing. But very important. So remember, trousers for your legs, not pants. Trousers. Say it, trousers. Good. Now, let me tell you more British clothing words.
More British clothing words. Trainers. These are sports shoes, like sneakers in American English, but in Britain, trainers. A Mac. This is a waterproof coat. You wear it in the rain. Britain has a lot of rain, so a Mac is very useful.
And tights. These are the close-fitting clothing women wear on their legs. In American English, people say pantyhose, but in Britain, tights. Oh, and there is another word I want to explain. But that story involves another embarrassing mistake of mine. Coming up very soon.
Okay, now the changing room. or the fitting room. Both words are correct. This is the small room in the shop where you go to try on clothes. To try on means to put on the clothes to see if they fit, if they look good on you.
You say to the assistant, "Can I try this on, please?" Simple. "Can I try this on, please?" Or, "Where are the changing rooms, please?" The assistant will show you where to go.
The assistant might ask, "How many items have you got?" An item is one piece of clothing. Most British shops say, "You can only take 6 items into the changing room at one time." They will give you a small number card. Easy.
Now, you try on the clothes. How do you describe the fit? Listen. It's too big. Easy. It's too small. Also easy. Or more natural. It's a bit loose. Loose means not tight, too big. It's a bit tight. Tight means too small, uncomfortable. Repeat. It's a bit loose. It's a bit tight.
And the best one, it fits perfectly. This is what you want. It fits perfectly. And here is one more important phrase. It doesn't suit me. To suit means to look good on you. It doesn't suit me means it doesn't look good on me. I don't like how it looks on me. Very natural.
And at the end of today's episode, I have your special secret word. The one word that British people use all the time. In shops, on the street, everywhere. It is short, it is simple, and it will make you sound very, very British. Can you guess what it is? We will tell you very soon. Stay with us.
Tom, you said there was another story. Another embarrassing mistake.
Oh, yes. Okay, so a waistcoat. A waistcoat is the smart sleeveless jacket you wear over a shirt. Part of a suit. Very smart, very elegant. I wanted to buy one, so I went to a shop and I said, "I'm looking for a vest." And the shop assistant came back with a white cotton undershirt, the kind you wear under your clothes to keep warm.
Oops, because in British English, a vest is an undergarment. It is the soft top you wear under your shirt. For warmth, it is not a waistcoat. So remember, vest is an undergarment. Waistcoat is the smart sleeveless jacket. waistcoat, waistcoat.
The shop assistant was very kind about it. She didn't laugh. "Well, not until I left the shop. Haha. Okay, let's move on. Prices."
Prices. How do you ask the price? Very simple. Say, "How much is this?" Say it again. "How much is this?" Or, "How much does this cost?" Both are perfect. Use them.
And if you see a sale is when prices are lower, ask, "Is this in the sale?" In British English, we say in the sale, not on sale. Is this in the sale? Remember, in the sale, very British.
When you are ready to pay, you go to the till. The till is where you pay, like a cash register. The checkout. You go to the till and the assistant helps you. They will ask, "Cash or card?" Cash is money, coins and notes. Card is your bank card.
In Britain, most people pay by card, and most shops have contactless. You just tap your card on the machine. Very fast. You might hear, "Just tap when you're ready." And the assistant will often ask, "Would you like a bag?" In Britain, you pay for bags, usually 5 or 10 pence. Say, "Yes please" or "No thank you."
Let's do our final role play. The checkout experience. Tom, you be the cashier. I will be the customer. Listen to all the phrases.
Hello, did you find everything okay today?
Yes, thank you. How much is this jumper, please?
That's £15, and it is in the sale today, so it's actually £12. Cash or card?
Card, please. Is it contactless?
Yes. Just tap when you're ready. Perfect. Would you like a bag?
Yes, please. Just one, thank you.
There you go. Enjoy your new jumper. Have a lovely day.
Thank you so much. Cheers. And that's our role play. A complete shopping trip. Very good.
And now, the special secret word I promised you. Did you hear what Susan said at the end of the role play? She said, cheers. That is the word cheers. In British English, cheers means thank you or goodbye. It is very friendly, very informal. You say it in shops. You say it on the street. Everywhere. Someone holds a door for you. Cheers. The cashier gives you your bag. Cheers. Thanks.
Cheers is one of my favourite British words. Everyone will smile when they hear it. It makes you sound very British, very friendly, very natural. Remember it? Cheers.
Okay, let's do a quick review of today's key phrases. Are you ready?
Ready.
In the shop, I'm just browsing, thanks. Or, I'm just having a look. When you need help. Excuse me, I'm looking for sizes. Have you got this in a medium? For colours. Have you got this in blue?
For the changing room. Can I try this on, please? For fit. It's a bit tight, or it fits perfectly. For price. How much is this? For sales. Is this in the sale? And the secret word, cheers. And please, follow the English language channel. It is free. It helps us so much, and you will get every new episode. Thank you.
In the description below, we've provided a free transcript PDF to help you with today's podcast and help you revise the new words and phrases discussed. Hope you find it useful. That is all for today. Well done for listening all the way through. You are working so hard. You should be very proud of yourself.
In our next episode, we are going to the supermarket, shopping for food in English. So many new words, so many useful phrases. We hope to see you there.
Until next time, keep practicing. Repeat the phrases, use them, and remember, you can do this. We believe in you.
Bye-bye, everyone, and cheers.
Cheers, bye.